Hi, today I'm going to introduce possessive adjectives, which are a new part of speech. But first, we're going to review pronoun usage. So as you know, pronouns can replace nouns. And here we have a noun, Anna and I, nouns. And so we can replace a noun with the pronoun I, you, he. This one, if we wanted to get rid of Anna, it would be she. And if we wanted to get rid of Anna and I, we would replace it with we and they. And as you see, a pronoun or a noun is followed by a verb. And we have the be verbs, which are am, is, and are. But here we have simple present tense verbs, speaks, read. And we will talk more about simple present tense verbs this week. So let's look at these sentences. I am Laura. You are Tatiana. He is Jean. Anna speaks English. Anna and I read a book. They are Jawed and Skandar. So now we're going to talk about possessive adjectives. A possessive adjective is a word that shows that something belongs to someone else. So let's look at the first example. My name is Laura. The noun of this sentence is name. The verb is. My is the possessive adjective. My name. Your name is Tatiana. Noun, verb, possessive adjective. His name is Jean. Her sister speaks English. Sister is the noun. The verb is speaks. The possessive adjective is her. Our mom reads a book. The noun is mom. The verb is reads. But this is showing that the mom is our mom. Anna and my mom. Not Jawed and Skandar's mom, but Anna and my mom, our mom, reads a book. And the last one is their names are Jawed and Skandar. So the possessive adjectives are my, your, his, her, our, their. So let's look at this. Again, here we have the possessive adjectives, and I've added its name. My, your, his, her, its, our, their. And as you can see, when we use our, because we are talking about two people, Anna and I, we add an S. Our names. And this is also plural, are. So singular, one, singular, 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 plural, plural. More than one person. So let's look Pedro and Luis. So what is missing here? We have names. All right, so number one, Pedro and Luis. We are talking about two people. So is it our or their? Their names. What be verb do we need? Is or are? Are. Their names are Pedro and Luis. How about number 2? Hong is this boy's name. So, this is a boy. Which possessive adjective are we going to put in front of name? His. His name. And are we going to put is or are? His name is Hong. Number 3, what about this woman? Which possessive adjective do we need? Her. Her name is or are? Is. Aruna. Her name is Aruna. And number 4, how are we going to answer that? Which possessive adjective do we need? His name is Matthew. And number 5, there's 2 of them. So it's plural. Their names are Rosa and Consuelo. And this is you, so you would say, my name is. Let's do some more practice. So this chart here shows the subject pronouns I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Possessive adjectives are my, your, his, her, its, our, their. So this is Tom and Sharon. He is Tom. What possessive adjective is missing? His. His name is Tom. She is Sharon. She is Sharon. What is missing here? So we have the noun, we have the verb, the possessive adjective, her. Her name is Sharon. Let's read number 1. Tom has an orange backpack. Blank backpack is orange. His. His backpack is orange. Number 2. Sharon has a red backpack. What is missing? Her backpack is red. Number 3. Tom has a yellow shirt. Shirt is yellow. What is missing? Possessive adjective. His shirt is yellow. How about number 4? Sharon has a white shirt. Her shirt is white. Her shirt is white. Number 5, Tom has a phone. The phone, it is his phone. It is his phone. They have a computer. The computer, it is their computer. So as you can see, here we have the noun, verb, and I've replaced the noun, because we're now talking about the phone, I replaced the noun with a pronoun. It is his phone. And same with this one. So let's look at the structure of these sentences. Noun or a pronoun plus a verb. Possessive adjective plus a noun plus a verb. So the structure is the same, noun, verb, noun, verb. In these sentences, we have just added a possessive adjective. So, a shirt is orange. Shirt is the noun, is the verb. Let's look at this one. Shirt is the noun, is the verb. His is the possessive adjective. All right. A book is blue. Noun, verb. His book is blue. Noun, verb. Possessive adjective. The teacher is nice. Noun, verb. His teacher is nice. Noun, verb. Possessive adjective. Sharon eats an apple. Noun, verb. Her apple is red. Noun, verb. Possessive adjective. Sharon and Tom write a book. Nouns, verb. Their book is funny. Noun, verb. Possessive adjective.